we have a special item in the mail. It's the Olight Sphere. I'm going to give you a full walkthrough of the unboxing. I'm going to show you all of the colors on the light. I'm going to pull up the app and show you everything the app has to offer as far as colors and all that good stuff. So yeah, it's going to cover everything you need to cover. I love this coin that's in this. I'll show you here in a minute. It comes with a charger, some booklets, plug it and file it, little sleeve for the Olight bulb, magnetic, of course. What I like about this one is you can set it on a flat surface, press down, and it turns on. I wish the original had that, but yeah, that's a cool feature. And here it is. Just turn it on. You just click it and go through the cycle. So here is the light settings without the actual app. So this is what you get without the app. If you just bought this bulb, didn't even have a phone, didn't have the app, this is what you're gonna get. I like that picture right there. I saved it, posted it, got lots of likes. It was pretty cool. I think it's my picture on my YouTube page. Check it out. Leave a comment, say what's going on. I love chatting with people, so feel free to chat me up. I'm gonna leave a link in the description if you want to pick up this bulb. If I have a 10% off link or a discounted link, I'll put that one in there. So check it out, see if you can save here versus just shopping through Amazon or Olight themselves. Yeah, love this light. It's actually on right now. That's a picture. I have the original on, soft white, and then I have the rainbow colors going right now, not using the app. So yeah, you can do a lot with this. I love the way it has the light inside the clear sphere. It's pretty cool. It's like you're not holding the actual light, just the bubble around it. I really like the app. They just did an update with the app. It's close to Halloween. It's what, maybe 13, 14 days away, but they just added like the zombie effect, and they added another color that's like green and orange, I think it is. So that's pretty cool that, you know, they can update the app and give it different light settings for you to switch up. But here's the app. They can taketh away, they can addeth to the app different features and effects. So that is really cool. When I turn this app on, I'm usually around it, around the actual light. I have heard of people saying that, you know, once they get like 5+ feet away, it disconnects. So hopefully that's not the case. If it is, you know, it's not like you can have these going in your backyard. You walk in the house, you need a device with the app running pretty close to it. Like I said, when I turn this thing on, it's sitting on my shelf right now. I'm just kind of sitting back, so I'm usually within a few feet of it when I do have it on, so it's not a big deal. And if you don't want to use the app, just turn it on. You don't have to be near it. But yeah, look at that. You see everything the light has to offer right here. There's Basham-O. I haven't tried that mode yet. There's rhythm, so it listens to the rhythm, I guess, and it goes to the beat. Haven't tried that mode yet either. I'm a simple man with a simple plan. Set it, forget it usually. But when I do jam out some music, watch my YouTube vids, I'll go through the app and actually have it playing in the background to whatever setting I pick. Fireplace is pretty cool. There's all the different things. Butterfly, fountain, you can read. It's all there. Pretty cool stuff. Yeah, I'm going to let this video wind down. Here's a few more features. A few more light settings. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't, or if you don't, hey, it's all good. Thanks for watching, stopping by, and we'll see you on the next video. Peace.